Rettapetu borders are one of the age-old concepts done in Kanjivaram. Hi to all the lovely people, this is Priyanka here from Kanjivaram. In this video, I'm going to take you through beautiful combination of Rettapetu borders with different body concepts done in pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. We have a Rettapetu border with body buttas. We have Rettapetu border with body muttukatams. We have Rettapetu border with the korvai weaving technique. We have Rettapetu border with the tiny Vairavusi checks in the body. We have Rettapetu with the muttuseer woven vertically in the body. So we have different variety of Rettapetu borders in pure Kanjivarams. All these sarees are pure Kanjivarams with silk mark certification, and we are also going to see the variety of zari quality. So you will be getting a zari certification for the pure zari saree as well. Let's get started. The first saree is what I'm wearing today, this deep moss green with maroon borders on both the sides. We have Rettapetu borders on both the sides. This Rettapetu border is woven with muttuseer. We have 3 and 4 strips of muttuseer forming the Rettapetu on both the sides, that is horizontally. And now coming to the body, we have muttuseer woven in both silk and gold zari running from one end of the border to the other end of the border, that is woven vertically. We have a contrast maroon pallu. It is a rich seer pallu. It's not the simple seer pallu that you get to see usually, but this is a very rich seer pallu in maroon with maroon blouse. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk saree with silk mark certification. Next, we have this beautiful and traditional magenta with dark green combination. Again, we have Rettapetu border on both the side in green, and body has beautiful muttuseer cuttam, bit bigger cuttams woven in the body all throughout with a rust selvage for the highlight done on both sides of the borders with contrast green rich seer pallu, and then we have strips of muttuseer cuttams coming from the body till the pallu with the muttuseer horizontal strips woven blouse. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk saree, and the zari used in this saree is the 3 gram pure gold zari saree. So you get silk mark certification for the pure silk, and you get a zari certification also for the quality of pure gold zari. The next saree is this beautiful and very unusual combination of peacock blue with nice vanilla white combination. Body is woven with the dual tone blue, and we have tiny podi cuttams, Vairavusi cuttams woven in the body. We have elaborate tiny Vairavusi cuttams woven in the body with beautiful marigold motifs, zari woven motifs filling the checks all throughout the saree with contrast korvai Rettapetu border in the bottom, and top we have the Getti border in a vanilla white, very unusual combination with a very rich pallu in the vanilla color, and we have this blouse. Something not usual, and I'm sure this would be perfect for party wear or even for festive wear. A pure Kanjivaram silk saree with silk mark certification. The next is another gorgeous combination in pastel pink with a navy blue, one of the beautiful combination, perfect for festive wear again. This is also a Rettapetu. We have Rettapetu detailed Rettapetu border done in the bottom border, and we have Gettipetu in the top. Body is filled with tiny floral buttas woven throughout the saree with the contrast rich navy blue pallu, and we have navy blue blouse with Rettapetu border to attach it for your sleeves. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk saree with silk mark certification. The next saree is this off-white and red combination, one of the most important or a staple combination when it comes to Kanjivaram. Body is woven with the off-white and filled with mile and chakram buttas throughout the saree. Now coming to the border, we have Rettapetu borders on both the sides. It's a red Rettapetu border done on both the sides with filled with the peacock strips, peacock band, and we have orange color warping, that is, it's an orange color done in the center part of the Rettapetu. On both the sides, it's nothing but a warping technique. So you get orange highlights in the center of the Rettapetu and red color Rettapetu borders on both the sides with the green selvage done in the border. Very detailed border, one of the intricate weave I would say, and it is done with contrast red rich pallu and blouse. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk saree with silk mark certification. All these sarees and many more collections are available in our website. Shop online at www.priyanka.in. We are also available in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Follow us in all these platforms for more updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share this video to your friends and family, and let us know in the comment section what you want to see next so that we will make sure to show it just for you. Thank you for watching.